Hi, welcome to my channel. Want naturally brighter, more even skin without spending a fortune? This ancient secret, milk and honey face mask, is a simple, 100% natural hack that's trending across the world for softening dark spots, brightening dull skin, and giving you that subtle glow. Stay with me because I'll show you how to make it, why it works, and the right way to use it safely for best results. This is a natural beauty remedy. Results vary by skin type. Always do a patch test first and avoid harsh chemical whitening products. This is about brightening and evening tone, not damaging your skin. Now let's get into it. So why milk and honey? Milk contains lactic acid, a gentle alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that exfoliates dead skin cells, softens texture, and helps fade pigmentation over time. Honey is a natural humectant and antibacterial agent. It locks in moisture, soothes irritation, and helps prevent breakouts while giving your skin a dewy finish. Together, they work like a mild, brightening spa treatment right at home. No harsh chemicals, no expensive creams. Here's what you'll need, all easy to get in supermarkets or health stores. A tablespoon of full-fat milk. You can also use powdered milk reconstituted. Tablespoon of raw or organic honey. Optional boosts if you want extra brightening. Soothing. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, only for normal to oily skin, and use at night. Avoid sun exposure after. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, for mild anti-inflammatory and tone evening. Be careful as it can stain. A few drops of rose water or aloe vera gel for sensitive skin. Tip: if you have dry skin, swap milk for a little yogurt instead. It's richer and keeps moisture locked in. Let's make it. In a clean bowl, mix the milk and honey until smooth. If using, add lemon juice or a pinch of turmeric, mix well. If you add turmeric, test a tiny amount first. It can leave a temporary yellow tint on very fair skin if not rinsed properly. Add a few drops of rose water or a teaspoon of aloe vera gel if your skin gets irritated easily. Using clean fingers or a soft brush, apply the mask to your face. Focus on areas with dullness, dark spots, or uneven tone. Avoid the eye area. Leave it on for 12 to 15 minutes. Don't let it dry completely if you have dry skin. For oily skin, you can let it set more. Rinse off gently with lukewarm water, then splash with cool water to close pores. Pat dry, don't rub. Finish with a lightweight moisturizer, preferably SPF in the morning. For visible brightening, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week at night. If you're using lemon juice, skip applying it in the morning. Always follow with sunscreen the next day, because citrus can make skin more sensitive to UV. Consistency is the key. You won't get dramatic overnight whitening, but within 2 to 3 weeks you'll notice a softer tone, reduced dullness, and a healthy glow. Variations for skin types and common mistakes: oily combination skin. Add a pinch of gram flour to absorb excess oil. Dry skin, use yogurt instead of milk and add a few drops of almond oil. Sensitive skin, skip lemon and turmeric, just do milk plus honey plus aloe vera. Common mistakes to avoid: leaving on lemon juice too long can sting or irritate. Using too much turmeric without mixing well can stain clothing or skin temporarily. Skipping patch test if you've never used raw honey or lemon on your skin. This isn't a filter. Real users report softer skin, less visible dark patches, and a brighter complexion after regular use. Combine it with good hydration, avoiding excessive sun without protection, and a gentle daily cleanse, and this becomes one powerful natural routine. Store leftover mixture in the fridge for a day only. Milk can spoil. Use the mask right before bed for maximum repair time. Pair it with a gentle exfoliation once a week, like a sugar scrub, to help the brightening ingredients penetrate better. If you tried this mask, comment below. Did you feel a difference? What variation worked for your skin type? Like this video if you want more natural skincare hacks. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next secret routine. Maybe it's for acne scars, glowing skin, or a DIY sunscreen booster. Share this with a friend who's been asking for a simple brightening hack without harsh chemicals. Remember, beauty doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Nature gave us ingredients that work. Just use them wisely. See you in the next video. Stay glowing naturally.